Using 220-volt heaters in a residential home will save on operating costs compared to using 110-volt heaters. Electric baseboard heaters operate on the principle of resistance heating, where an electric current flows through a resistive element generating heat. The formula that relates power loss to voltage and resistance is power loss in watts equals voltage in volts squared divided by resistance in ohms. For the same heating output in watts, a higher voltage, such as 220 volts, results in a lower current flow than a lower voltage like 110 volts. Since power loss is proportional to the square of the current, the reduced current flow with 220 volts significantly decreases the power loss in the wire connecting the heater to the electrical panel. The lower current requirement for 220-volt heaters allows for the use of smaller wire gauges. Smaller wires have less resistance, which further reduces power loss and voltage drop. The electrical wiring can be more cost-efficient and less prone to overheating. The reduced power loss and lower resistance in the wiring contribute to increased efficiency. 220-volt heaters convert more of the electrical energy into heat, while 110-volt heaters have higher losses due to wire resistance. As a result, 220-volt heaters require less electrical current to produce the same amount of heat. The combination of reduced power loss, smaller wire size, and higher efficiency translates into lower operating costs for 220-volt heaters. Over time, the savings on electricity bills can be significant compared to 110-volt heaters. It is important to ensure that the electrical system can support 220-volt heaters. This may require upgrades to the electrical panel, wiring, and circuit breakers. Always consult a qualified electrician for proper installation and safety considerations.